If you remember, we mentioned at the start that these solutions were designed for on-premise installs. With the current climate, customers are quickly looking for alternatives. The level of comfort is dramatically changing in our customers when it comes to cloud technologies. Many companies are tiring of the constant expense and upkeep of internal IT infrastructures. Javelin has done extensive testing and have developed services to move these data management systems to cloud services like Azure or Amazon Web Services, AWS. You may already have a cloud initiative, which we can add to, or you may not know where to start. Our team of certified experts can guide you to getting signed up with these cloud services and help you understand their technologies. You've seen 3 great data management solutions and a ton of time-saving and value-enabling capabilities. If you haven't already invested in your company to protect and leverage your most valuable asset, your data, now is definitely the time. With most of us working from remote home offices, the need has never been greater. If you are reaping the benefits of PDM Standard or PDM Professional, maybe it's time to revisit to see how you can expand PDM Professional or upgrade to SOLIDWORKS Manage to connect even more dots with project management, process management, and BOM management. Leveraging the knowledge and experience of Javelin Technologies, in as little as a couple of days, you could be benefiting from data security, extracting more value from that data, and ultimately increasing your productivity and profitability.